Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to show you facts about Newjeans and why they are so successful. On this channel we are going to upload interesting K-pop news every day, so make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for the latest K-pop news and trends. So let's get it started. Newjeans are one of the top online sensations right now in less than a year since their debut. 1. The girls have released numerous trending songs on the internet, including OMG, Ditto, Cookie, Hype Boy, and their pre-debut single, Attention. 2. Their concept and music style are the primary reasons for their success. 3. Their songs are cheerful and have a new atmosphere that instantly lifts your spirits. 4. Their concept is distinctive, which is becoming increasingly rare in K-pop nowadays. 5. Their concept has an old-school atmosphere reminiscent of the Y2K concept. 6. Their moniker, Newjeans, is a wordplay for new jeans, which signifies a new concept, new music style, new fashion style, and so on, breaking the common female crush notion in K-pop. 7. Newjeans have built a name for themselves as one of the most distinctive K-pop groups to exist. 8. Breaking the clichés and molds provided to them by their predecessors and instead paving a new method of making songs and MVs. Please subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Comment below which video you wish us to do next and we will get back to you ASAP. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.